This is a question from IPMAT Indore 2023 exam QA section. And the question is based on logarithms. So A, B, C are three real numbers which are greater than 1, and n is a positive real number which is not equal to 1. So because n is in the base of the logs, so n cannot be equal to 1. We cannot have 1 as the base of log. If log n log base n log base 2a is 1, this is 2 and this is 3, then which of the following is true? So we have to check the options basically. And in all the options, we have to use the values of a, b and c. So we will first extract the values of a, b and c from the given conditions. So first condition is log base n log base 2a equal to 1. So log base 2a, that will be equal to n raised to 1, which is n, and a is 2 raised to n. Similarly, log base n log base 2b is equal to 2. So log base 2b is n raised to 2, and hence b is 2 raised to n square. And similarly, we can write for c, which is almost the same except this 3. So in place of this 2, we will have 3. So c is 2 raised to n cube. So these are the values of a, b, and c. Now we will use these values to check the given options. So first option is a raised to n plus b raised to n is c raised to n. So a raised to n, that will be 2 raised to n raised to n. That means 2 raised to n square. B raised to n will be 2 raised to n cube, and c raised to n will be 2 raised to n power 4. So they will not be equal. So I can simply cross option A. Similarly, we can check for other options. Second is b minus a raised to n, that is equal to c minus b. So b minus a, that will be 2 raised to n square minus 2 raised to n. And b minus a raised to n. So this whole raised to n as well. So I can take 2 raised to n common. Then here it becomes 2 raised to n square minus 1 and whole raised to n. So that is b minus a raised to n, that is the left hand side. Do we get the same thing from the right hand side? So c minus b, 2 raised to n cube minus 2 raised to n square. So I can take 2 raised to n square common. So here we'll get 2 raised to n cube minus n square minus 1. So as we can see that these two parts don't match. Hence, second option is wrong. Similarly, we can check for option C and option D. Option C is obviously wrong. A plus B will not be equal to C. So option C is also wrong. Hence, the only option that is left is option D. We can simply mark that without checking.